Hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and today we're going to be producing another onboarding project for the new Legacy CNC users. And today we're going to be going back to the turning center making this French rolling pin. Great starter project because it's, again, a one-part process and you can immediately start using it for everyday uses in your kitchen. So let's go see how this is done in the Maverick CNC system using the turning center module option. The turning center module, in which this French rolling pin is being produced, can be added to your Maverick E-Series at any time. Combine this with our exclusive conversational cam turning software, and you have one of the best and most versatile turning centers in the world. For this cutting demonstration, we opened up the dust brushes so that you can see all the cutting action. Now, even though this is a simple project, we're able to take advantage of the turning software to make this really fast and simple to design, program, and produce on the Legacy CNC. In total, 3 cutters were used to produce this French rolling pin. First is the 1¼ surfacing cutter. This is used to turn the stock round and to rough out the general shape of the part before we turn the final detail. The second cutter is a 1-inch diameter core box cutter. This is used to turn the contour shape from beginning to end. This technique is way faster than traditional wrapped carving and gives us a much smoother finish. To finish things off, we used a 1-inch diameter 90-degree V-cutter to chamfer both ends of the rolling pin. These are also used as cut marks when trimming off the ends. The feeds and speeds used throughout this cutting demonstration were more conservative and don't push the machine to its maximum capability. Even then, this rolling pin only took just over 13 minutes to produce. Now that we've turned this part, we can cut it off at the V marks that were turned on both ends, and this will make it a 20-inch rolling pin. And then we just have to finish it off with some sanding and rub in some mineral oil, and this is ready to start using immediately. So she turned out great. Hope you have fun making this if you're a new Legacy CNC customer. We have these files listed on our website, and so if you're interested in looking at those, go to legacywoodworking.com on our Legacy CNC training page. And again, this is a great starter project for our CNC customers. Now, if you're interested in learning more about a Legacy CNC machine and what it can do for your woodworking or business opportunities, I recommend you also visit our website at legacywoodworking.com. There we have a lot of different demonstrations showing woodworking disciplines on the CNC system to see what fits your needs and requirements for a CNC machine. But you also have these videos here on YouTube. So if you're interested in learning more about or seeing more about cutting demonstrations like this, just click the videos right over there. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and check that notification box so that you can be notified when new videos come out. And as always, thank you for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.